Viewers, as Kemise, Senbite, and Atay have already been taken by Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army. Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army were advancing towards Shiva Robert. Whereas Tigray Defense Force backed news sources are claiming that Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army are in control of Shiva Robert town located in North Shuwa zone. Yesterday, intense fighting was reported from Shiva Robert. Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army were advancing towards Shiva Robert along A2 highway. Amhara's forces along with Ethiopian National Defense Force were trying to stop the advancement of Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army towards Shiva Robert. But as per reports, Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army have entered Shiva Robert and took control of it. Visual confirmation is awaited. On the other hand, the government is instructing residents in Addis Ababa to arm and ready themselves to defend the capital. Tigrayan forces have advanced southward and are now around 250 miles from Addis Ababa. The Ethiopian army has suffered such heavy losses on the front lines that the government has taken the extraordinary step of calling on ordinary citizens to join the war against the Tigrayan forces. Whereas Tigray People's Liberation Front are taking towns on the way to the capital of Addis Ababa. Whereas large number of new recruited soldiers joined Amhara Special Force in Humera and Wolkayet. Amhara government is not withdrawing forces from this disputed territory, whereas they are increasing the soldiers in Humera, Wolkayet and Sagede by large scale recruiting. On the other hand, as the war spreading towards Addis Ababa, the United States has warned pilots that planes operating at Bole International Airport could be directly or indirectly exposed to ground weapons fire and surface to air fire. Whereas the United States this week urged its citizens in Ethiopia to leave now, saying there should be no expectation of an Afghanistan style evacuation. Viewers, for more latest reports, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for your precious time.